Hi, I'm Jim Walden with RE/MAX Select Professionals, and this is Everything Real Estate. Today I'm with Laura. She's with the Covenant Closing and Title Services. They're Sure Close department. Is that what to call it?
The quick close.
Quick close. I want to call it Sure Close, but it's Quick Close. So tell us a little bit about what the Quick Close is.
Quick close is a patent pending business model that our owners created to connect us with the sellers. It's a seller-based program because we both have the same customer. Your customer is a seller, our customer is a seller. So this is just a unique business plan that our owners have created to connect us all together. It is two parts, actually. The first part is the title side. So our title side of Covenant Closing starts right up front and gets all the measures in order to clear that property to close. So they do check the taxes, anything that might be outstanding. There's various things that come up, and this all gets started ahead of time. So after the sale and purchase agreement, usually that's when all of that begins. With Quick Close, it starts up front.
And this prevents any problems later in the process that can cause issues.
Yes, exactly. So when you're actually sitting down to close, everything has already been taken care of prior to that. So there's no surprises at the closing table.
And This is actually a contractual agreement between Covenant Closing and the owner of the property, and they're responsible for payment. But if the house does not sell, do they still have to pay for the services?
No, they do not.
Okay, but they require like a 6-month agreement that it gives them 6 months to try and sell it.
It's actually now 12 months.
Oh, okay.
So they have 12 months, and we hold all of that. The other part of the Quick Close program is the media side. They will get a 3D virtual tour along with the photos that we provide, along with aerial drone photography where applicable. There are certain areas where we're not allowed to fly yet, according to the government. We're very strict on keeping those laws as well. We have 2 licensed pilots here from the FAA with our certification, and everything is done according to the law. I do abide by that, and so that gives you confidence when you have pilots on your premise that everything is being done decently and in order. Okay. Along with that, Jim, we provide a property web page for each property in the Quick Close program. So this is just fantastic marketing tools for your seller that they can use on Facebook, LinkedIn, any of their social media. The links are very easy. We provide all the links to just throw up anywhere at any time that they want to market their property. So
that's where you become involved with the media and the 3D virtual tours and the high definition pictures and the drone shots. That's where you come into play with the Sure Close process. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. So once we receive the paperwork from the seller, we'll call and make an appointment to come and do the scans. And right now we have less than a 24-hour turnaround for those photos, the 3D tour, the property webpage, the aerial drone photography. It's just fantastic.
Now, I've always been curious how you get these 3D tours of the home. They're amazing for my marketing of the property, because 90-some% of the people that start looking for homes do their search on the internet. And if you've got a home that has good high quality pictures and lots of them, you have 3D tours, you have drone aerial photography, especially for properties that have unique features about them, like on the canals or reserves behind them or something like that. It's a tremendous benefit that these people out there can see these things with the shots that you get. And you call it scanning. I call it taking pictures. So what is the difference?
So we have what's called a Matterport 3D camera. It takes 360-degree scans, in essence, kind of like a CAT scan or something that you would get done at the hospital. But it takes a 360-degree scan of the room, and it's 320 degrees north and south of the room. So we place this camera actually a couple of different places throughout the room, which allows in turn to scan and access every square inch of that space. So it's just amazing, because normally when you're looking at homes, you would just see random pictures of the corners of a bathroom or a countertop in a kitchen, but you don't really know the vicinity it is to, say, the garage or the laundry room. And this allows you full access to actually going inside the home and walking around the home.
And there's also what they call a dollhouse shot that is from above. And it's amazing that it's like somebody has lifted the roof off of the home, and you can see ceiling fans, you can see everything in the home, and it's amazing how that puts it all together.
Yes, I love that feature too, because it's really neat if you have certain furniture that you can visually place that in there with this tool. And it's interesting. Another thing I wanted to bring up too was these scans are within 1/100th of an inch accuracy for measuring. So it allows the homeowner to get the square footage down to 1/100th of an inch. So if you have a buyer that has certain furniture, specifications, or they have this art piece that they want on this wall, and that's something that Matterport has, where you can go in and actually measure that electronically and provide an answer for that measurement right away.
And I was with you on scene yesterday doing one of my listings that I recently got, and I was looking at the scans as you go from room to room, and it actually pieces everything together like a puzzle. And what happens when you stitch all this stuff together, and what do you do with it after you get finished doing your work?
So after we get finished doing the scans, and it creates the space, in essence it uses infrared lighting to create the space. After we are completed with our scans, we upload it to the Matterport cloud, and they stitch it together and send it back to us in its rawness, so to speak. And then we start creating, really we're just building a movie for you. So we'll go in and go on each scan that we want, and we'll take clips or just snapshots, and then we'll put the snapshots together as if we were making a movie, and that's how we would build a tour for you guys.
Okay. And the turnaround time for the real estate professionals to get those back are
we say according to contract it's 48 hours, but right now we're 24 hours or less on having those back to you.
And I like to get those back with my listings, so I'll have good high definition pictures that I can get from the Matterport website to put on the listing, so when people on the internet go looking at these homes, they'll have good quality pictures to look at. And then we'll get it sold for you and be done with it. So the drone part, the aircraft part, do you need to be licensed to do this from your standpoint?
Yeah, Jim. So from our standpoint, because we're taking compensation for it, you do have to be licensed by the FAA to fly the drone and to take pictures. If you're just a hobbyist, you do not have to be licensed.
Okay. All right. Anything else that you can share with the audience out there?
Let's see. I think it's just a great program. Again, you won't get any clearer pictures than these. They're 4K camera-ready photography, so if you want to print brochures or postcards or put something in the magazine, there's no post-editing on these because they're as clear as you can possibly get them. So I love that feature because a lot of times you want to do mail-outs and you don't have time to necessarily edit or send them away to get edited, and right now they're perfect in the condition that they are. So
they sure are, and I have seen some realtors that will take pictures with their iPhones, and they just don't turn out well on the internet. So these are good high definition, high quality pictures that they use. So, all right, well, thank you so much, Laura, with Covenant Closing and Title Services. We appreciate you being here and for sharing your knowledge with your job.
Thank you, Jim.
Nice talking with you.